methyl, methyl, CH3, ethane, H bar, remove ethyl,
No sé qué hace.
such propyl propyl butyl, such. We know CH4, C2H3, A6, C2, C6, alkyl, alkane. Its general structure is H2 plus 2. So, if one hydrogen is removed, H2 plus 1, and R alkyl radical is CnH2 plus 1. Alkyl radical. Common name is RCNH, Cn2 plus 1. Now I have to discuss in the hydroxyl radical. Hydroxyl. Hydroxyl radical. It is commonly used in organic chemistry alcohol. So there you can write RCN CnH2 plus 1 is a alcohol. Everyone knows that methyl alcohol is the alcohol. Actually, in organic chemical system, we have to write ROH. General equation or general nomenclature. Now, we have to write methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Then we have to write CH2OH. Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Its common name is ROH, alkyl and OH. CH3, CH3, OH, OH. CH3, CH3, OH, OH. Difference is 2. It is a homologous series. Now we have to write how many OH? Hydroxyl radical 1. So this is a monohydrate alcohol. Now question: dihydric alcohol. What? Maybe if 2 OH hydroxyl radical, it must be system OH. There is 2 hydroxyl radical. I mean alcoholic radical. Ethylene, ethylene 2 or solid ethylene glycol. This common name. We should write IUPAC, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Name, nomenclature. What? Ethylene. 1, 2, diol. All is alcohol. Common name. Now, I have to remove one H. UPAC name what? Propylene, propane, 1, 2, diol. UPAC name. So it is a dihydrate because 2 dihydrate alcohol. Then TOH there, OH, such system where cis OH cysto OH. What name? 3 trihydric alcohol. Alcohol. Name glycerin. Glycerin. Trihydric alcohol. Another name, I have a name propane. 1, 2, 3. Propane. 1, 2, 3. Diol. 1 OH, 2 situation OH, 3 situation OH. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Then polyhydric alcohol. Methyl. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Six. I mean, get of the 3, 4, 5, 6 metal. This is the polyhydric alcohol. Then we have to write primary alcohol. Or 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol. It is not necessarily private alcohol. How? Such cis2, cis3, cis2, OH, primary alcohol. Then cysteine, CH. There is cis2, there is CH. OH. Calculate the bond. 1, 2, 3. And there is a methyl radical. This is secondary alcohol. Alcohol. So its common criteria is that cis-to-H, bond cis-to-H, and this common CHOS secondary alcohol. Then there are H withdrawal. There is no H. This is the C. Common name is COA. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Alcohol. Please write this thing, and I have give you some time. And primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Now, nomenclature. Suppose CH, COH. Its name methyl alcohol. Its name methyl alcohol. It is a monohydric alcohol. One is what's its name? Two kind of name there is. I have to write this thing chemical such this way. CH. CH3 or CH3. This is the and they are OH. IUPAC name for secondary alcohol. Sorry. Secondary alcohol. Name propane, one, two, three, propane, two, or RUF name. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Then I have to write these are primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. C, OH, CH3, CH3. Now it is named. There is the hydroxyl radical is the first choice, and it is a common thing. 1, 2, 3, 2 all. Firstly, we have to write what? 1, 2, 3. 3, 2 methyl. Methyl. There I have to write what? 2 methyl propane. I have to write it by erasing clearly. 2 methyl propane to all. Tertiary alcohol. That's the nomenclature. Now I have to synthesize the methyl or ethyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Suppose methyl or ethyl alcohol. This is the alcohol. This alcohol is a common alcohol, ethyl alcohol. How is synthesis? Starch. Starch, where we find starch like wheat, rice, wheat rice, etc. So we have two fermentation system. No, fermentation. Everybody know what is fermentation? Reaction. Fermentation reaction. Fermentation reaction. How this occur? Happen firstly. We need starch. From what? Starch. From where we obtain starch? Rice, wheat, etc. Starch. Normal structure C5 is 10 O5 and N is equal to 1 to 100 to 1000 maybe, and number when 1 to 1000 number maybe more than that. Now reaction, fermentation. For fermentation we have to engage in water and yeast. What is yeast? Do you know? It is a mushroom extract. Now and C6. Sorry, there is mistake. C6 H12 O6. What is this? C6 H12 O6. What is this? Maybe glucose, fructose. So I have glucose. And C6 H12 O6 is a glucose. It's a formal name. Then yeast. Why yeast is used? For enzyme. When yeast is temperature maybe 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, enzyme secret. And then what? Dimers, maltase, malt, etc. NMS, etc. And then C6 is 12 O6 enzyme. What happened? 3 C2 C3 C2 wait. Slow when this reaction occur. What happened? Ethyl alcohol. Now equilibrium two side. 1 to 6. Sorry, 2. 1 to 2 4. 2 COD combination gap. There is carbon 4. There is 6. There is 2 carbon. So complete 4 to 6. Carbon completed. Then H12 2 3 6. 2 4 10 11 12 hydrogen complete oxygen 2 oxygen 4 oxygen 6 oxygen. This is the system to create normal system to methyl alcohol, easiest system and cost very low. Methyl alcohol. Now methyl alcohol synthesis. How it is occurred? How to create this system methyl alcohol. In previous lecture, I have explained about the how to create methyl alcohol. Firstly, methane, chlorine, ultraviolet ray of sun, then slow and steady react CCl3, CCCl, ACl. What is hydrochloric acid? What is the methyl chloride? Methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Methane, chlorine react with the ultraviolet ray, methyl chloride, hydrochloric acid. And then react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium highly positive, chlorine is highly negative. Then create sodium chloride and CH3 OH. That is the methyl alcohol. And then ethyl alcohol I have created. How I have created methyl to ethyl alcohol. In previous time I have explained in the normally ethyl alcohol. Methyl chloride. Suppose methyl chloride. How methyl chloride how created? Methane plus chlorine ultraviolet ray. 2 sodium. And then chlorine just inverse CH3. 2 sodium chloride and CH3 radical joined with CH3. What happened? Ethane and then hydrochlorine UP ultraviolet ray. Then methyl ethyl chloride. Methyl chloride, methane to ultraviolet and sodium Woods reaction. It is the Woods reaction. Completed by ether and medium. Ether medium, sodium chloride, sodium to methyl chloride, reaction ethane. Woods reaction. Ether in presence of ether, a diether. And then methyl to chlorine, methyl chloride. Then sodium hydroxide. Then ethyl chloride. Please observe this. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl chloride, sodium hydroxide, ethyl alcohol and sodium chloride. Clear? And then I have to use the system. Now I am discussing to methyl hydroxide and another methyl hydroxide. There is a difference. CCOH, OH is there, same thing. CCOH or HOC3, concentrated. concentrated esters form sulfuric acid, absorbing water. So gas process H2O. And rest of them CCO, CC. Ethyl, diethyl. Ethyl symbol is O middle point and two side alkyl radical. O middle point, two side alkyl radical. Ethyl system to create. Now I am synthesis another thing. In previous lecture, I have explained how to create ethane to methane, methyl alcohol, ethane to ethyl alcohol, such as. Now I am describing another synthesis system of methyl alcohol, COCC. Everyone should know what is this. Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. I am acetate. Ethyl acetate with water. Bake it. In hoist condition of medium sodium hydroxide and water, maybe water. It is created COOH and CH3OH. Please observe this. Ethyl acetate, water, and sodium hydroxide dissolved in water. What happened? Now I am analyzing OH. H is the minus, is the plus. They are minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. CSCO minus H plus. CSCO minus H plus. Ethanol acid. And then CH3OH. Methanol. Ethyl acetate, a star. This is a star. A star to water, combined water, sodium hydroxide, base, and acetic acid, or ethanoic acid, or methanol. Then I am analyzing the system of mono. This is a system to monohydric alcohol, and I am now starting to dihydric alcohol. What's name? cis2. RS, and then rest OH. How to create this? To create this, we have to first we need cis2 ethene to, and then HCl, NaOHCl, H2Cl, hypochloric acid is the plus. This is the minus. This is the plus. Then it is minus. We know it is not minus, but there chlorine is so electronegative that it must be plus. So there is the electron. For this sigma bond, not sigma bond. One sigma bond, one pi bond. Pi bond. This is the pi bond electron. Two. So there will join a wedge. And then pi bond is broken. So they can where? There. This bond. And this positive. And there join the chlorine. Please. So what's this? I will explain this thing further. CH2, CH2OH, Cl. CH2, CH2 double one. Previously it is double one. OH plus, Cl minus. OH join there and 2 electron pi bond join there and is plus minus Cl combined. So what happened? What is this nomenclature? 1, 2. With mass priority OH. 2 chloro ethanol. 2 chloroethanol. I need glycol, ethylene glycol. Which cell what? Then sodium hydroxide. Common knowledge, sodium is plus, which is minus. This is minus. Cl is much more negative and negative than OH. So they get what? Sodium chloride. Replacement what? CH2, 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 OH, OH. Ethylene glycol. Another name is 1,2 ethane 1,2-diol or ethylene glycol. This is a process to diprotein dihydric alcohol. Thus, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol procedure system. We another system. Now, dihydric alcohol or glycerin. We have to obtain inverse process. What is this? Glycerin or propane 1, 2, 3 triol and 3 molecule what? C17. C17. 70 double is 34 and plus 1 35 and COOH benzoic acid. Not benzoic acid, carboxylic acid. Its name is stearic acid. And then get the reaction. What reaction need H2SO4. What absorption? Water. So I have to erase this and write this and was this realization of this? I have to write it clearly by erasing. Now I am writing such. Then 3 stearic acid. What? HOOC. Inverse system I am writing. C17 H35 1. Then OOC C17 H35 HOOC then from their H wage H wage H wage so H2O part 3 then what is another thing this system I am writing slowly please write down OOC 17 is 35 1 then CH OCC C17 H35 and CH2 OOC C17 H35 fat it is a fat means animal fat any kind of fat, all fat, etc. etc. So this to reacted to product this and this product to react hot meat, evaporation, sulfuric acid, fat, water, sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide, anything, glycerin and stearic acid. Stearic acid and glycerin. It is a fat acid. Stearic acid may be fatty acid. And it's also a star. It's also a star and fat. So we have to write cystone OOC. Then your question, what have to write? Please think C17. What have to write? Then cystone. Join with water dissolved and sodium hydroxide or sulfuric acid, anything, any acid or any base. Join must be then previous reaction inverse system system wage. What's its name? Think. Glycerin, propane, 1 to 3 propane, 1 to 3 triol, and 3 C3, 17 is 35. And COOONA, sodium stearate. It's another name, soap. We use soap for in any kind of preparation of cloth or bath, anything. Soap. But in soap, glycerin is very effective for skin. Glycerin is good for skin. If you know anyone use glycerin, they do not uh, must not be following skin disease. Then I am just writing then um, just C3. Think what is its name? Think what is its name? Ethanol. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol? Ethanol. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol? As such, H O in the system. HO, HO, C is 2, C is 3. Dehydration, dehydration process. What chemical name is just for hydrogen sulfuric. And this OH combined with this hydrogen, water, and what? C2, O, C2, C3, diethyl ether. Then I am just writing another thing, how to create alcohol synthesis. Suppose this is a ketone. COO is this the ketone? No, never. Ethyl, methyl, with ethyl is dead. Then there we included the hydrogen, German hydrogen. How much? Firstly, with combination C3 COH O8, one hydrogen, one. Then H, then O remove is 2 O. One, two hydrogen, three hydrogen, and there needed four hydrogen. Four hydrogen, German hydrogen. For this reason, we need lithium, aluminum hydride, or sodium borohydride. It is a hydrogenation, and it is a reduction. If oxygen use, oxidize reaction. If hydrogen use, diamond reduction reaction. And then I am just writing ketone. It's ketone, dimethyl ketone. Then German hydrogen. For example, what need thing? Lithium, aluminum hydride, or sodium boro hydride. Boron. The boron, sodium boron, lithium. How much need? What to happen? 60 COH CH3. So there is a needed H. How much hydrogen need? Only 2. What is its name? What kind of alcohol it is? Mono alcohol. But primary or secondary? Secondary alcohol. 1, 2. Propane, 2 or propanol. And then I am just writing the another reaction such as synthesis of methyl to methyl alcohol, sodium alcohol, such as ACHO. ACHO. What is this? Formaldehyde of methanol, aldehyde. Structure COOH. Right? I have to create CH3OH. There are 1 hydrogen, there are 3 hydrogen. I need 2 hydrogen. Normally, 3 hydrogen. There are no hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. Sorry, CO, 2 hydrogen. CH3 CH3OH, and that is the CH2 CH2 1H OH, lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogenation or sodium bromium borohydride, CH2 2H 3 OOH. 2 hydrogen reduction system methanol. Then we are calculate the other thing, methanol acid. Synthesis of methanol, hydrogen. Where lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, and then need how much hydrogen? Sorry, I am writing for COOH, methanol acid. Then methanol CH3OH, methanol. How much hydrogen need? Because oxygen is 1. This oxygen here is 2. Calculate. There is 2 hydrogen. There is 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 hydrogen need. Methanol is 2 methanol. Clear? Please write down it is what and realize and everything. Then I am discussing the property of maybe chemical or physical property of methanol. This is the methanol. Hydrogen, oxygen to hydrogen, very very positive. Hydrogen more positive, oxygen is more negative. This is attracting the electron. This one electron here side, two electron. So in water, what is the polar bond? Polar bond means oxygen is much more negative than hydrogen. 2 delta minus, delta plus, delta plus. So minus always reacted with hydrogen plus. So hydrogen will join with the system. Hydrogen is joined with the system. Oxygen bond, and this methyl radical join this system. I am describing what? Do you understand? In water, dipole bond in water, 2 electron in water. How to dissolve methyl knowledge with plus attractive to O and hydrogen attractive to methyl. And such a way methyl is dissolved in water. And every alcohol dissolved in water such a way. For this reason, alcohol and water should not be divided clearly. Then another process to create alcohol, such CH2 thing. What is this? Ten and H2O. Dividedly I can write HOH. Then created what? I have to H plus, OH minus, H plus for this pi bond. Then CH3 bond CH2, because 2 electron here gone and this is a plus and OH minus. What happened? Permanent is ethanol. But for this reason, we need sulfuric acid dilute. But there, this mechanism I have to explain another way. How there need a temperature, some temperature. Water, not water, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric is 2SO4. I have to write is SO4. HO, SO3, H. H2SO4. This, what's this? And I try to realize this. And O is negative, S4 positive. S4H is much more negative than OH. This is the negative, this is the positive, delta positive. Then positive must be joining this, I think this way. And positive, not positive is S4. Cysteine, Cystine, sorry, I have calculated the wrong system. H S4H. This negative, it is positive. Then C3. Delta plus joined with the hydrogen 5 on electron. C3, C2, S4, H. Methyl sulfonate, ethyl sulfonate. Then water. I have to write water, HOH. Any problem? HOH? No. Delta plus minus and delta plus. For portion it is minus, delta minus. This is the delta plus. Delta plus must be joined with delta minus OH. And then we get methyl alcohol. And H is just 4. So this was this and title like this. Then we have to describe another thing. Partial goal, everything. Please realize my lecture and try to subscribe me if you like to prefer to my lecture about the alcohol and previous lecture. Please subscribe me and recognize me. Thank you very much. All over your progressive by civilized human being. Thank you very much. I am Bireshwar. Thank you.